In the heart of this thriving casino, the excitement never stops. But behind the scenes there's a critical aspect that ensures the games keep running smoothly. Maintenance. Meet My Casino, a large and dynamic gaming establishment with thousands of slot machines. Like any business, they face maintenance challenges that can impact customer satisfaction and revenue. In the past, managing maintenance was a cumbersome process. Employees had to rely on paper forms to report issues, leading to delays and errors. But My Casino decided to revolutionize their maintenance procedures by implementing a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. With the CMMS in place, employees and even patrons can now report maintenance issues with ease, directly from their mobile devices. Every slot machine is meticulously tracked within the CMMS, allowing for preventive maintenance schedules to be established. Regular cleaning, software updates, and inspections are now a seamless part of the routine. Maintenance vendors are also integrated into the system. When something goes wrong, CMMS automatically creates the work order and assigns it to the related vendor. The vendor receives the work order electronically and can update the task as they are fixing the issues in real time. Not only that, given a highly regulated industry, My Casino has created all the regulatory checklists related to Lotto or other safeties. These checklists are part of the work orders, and CMMS ensures that the checklists are followed while doing the maintenance. The CMMS also manages inventory, ensuring that spare parts and supplies are always available. Plus, it collects valuable data on maintenance trends and costs. Besides games, My Casino also has world-class rooms, lobbies and conference centers that their customers use regularly. With QR code incident reporting, My Casino has improved the way their customers raise service requests, improving the overall guest experience. The results are clear. With the CMMS, My Casino experiences reduced downtime, fewer out-of-service slot machines, and happier customers. My Casino now makes data-driven decisions, optimizing maintenance strategies and saving costs. Thanks to the power of the CMMS, My Casino keeps the games going, ensuring an unforgettable experience for every guest. Contact us today and find out how DreamzCMMS can revolutionize your casino with preventive and predictive maintenance with the power of IoT, RFID, and artificial intelligence.